Do you remember when Microsoft said that Windows 10 would be the last version of Windows? Well, that was a big fat stinking lie, because on this SD card I have a Windows 11, the alleged next version of Windows, if you can guess by the name. But what exactly is this anyway? Well, let's find out together, because it's time to install the future. And well, I mean, here it is. The Windows 11 ISO, apparently. So while that's loading up, let me explain what exactly is going on here. First of all, we are using TeamViewer here, because there's no way I'm installing some random ISO on my main PC. So I am running it on my test bench, and I'm just using TeamViewer to view it on my normal monitor over here. So what is this ISO? Well, recently you may have heard that Windows 10 has gotten an end-of-life date sometime in 2025. So that would naturally mean that there is some brand new version of Windows coming, Windows 11. And then, soon after that news broke, an ISO leaked of a very early build of Windows 11. So this is what we are installing right now. Is this gonna work? Who knows? Is this just a Trojan masquerading as the next great thing in PC operating systems? Who knows? And here we go. It's installing. And after an hour or so of waiting, here it is. It's just Windows 11. I'm actually using Windows 11. Weird. Okay, what on earth is going on here? Why on earth is the taskbar in the middle? And what on earth is this? Widgets. I've always thought that this kind of thing fell out of fashion, like around the Windows 8 days, you know? Like who goes to these kind of widgets for stuff like stock prices or like news stories? Like you literally just go on the internet and Google like, I don't know, BBC News or something, or you literally just type in the name of the stock you want and Google will show you the price. Okay, but here is the biggest thing, the thing that Microsoft sometimes struggled to get right about Windows, and that is the start menu. Huh. Actually, that is pretty nice. It's clear that they're going for... It's a bit strange that it's in the middle, but I guess I would get used to it. You have all these like shortcuts here you can like populate. There's a new paint icon. Everything has new icons. A recycle bin has a new icon I see over there. Have apps like Paint changed though? No, Paint still has its old very janky interface. But what I want to see is if they finally fix the issue of the, you know, Windows control panel and Windows settings kind of contradicting each other and just being two separate entities instead of just being one. I'm praying to our overlord Bill Gates that they finally fixed the settings and control panel faffery. But also, where on earth is the search bar? It's down here now. So is the control panel still a thing? It is. All the icons have changed. But why is it still a thing? It has a nice interface, gonna give it that. The icons are nice. But control panel should not exist. Control panel and settings and all the other loose options available, why on earth aren't they all bundled into the settings app yet? Excuse me? How long does it take for them to get this right? Like, we should not have to jump between control panel, settings, the registry editor, and also just... That was loud. And also just random settings contained within their own individual apps just to adjust anything about Windows. But yeah, apart from that, it's just Windows. Let's check out File Explorer, see how that changed. Wow, we're getting new icons for everything. This looks very like macOS-y, right? Does anyone else get that vibe that this looks a lot like macOS? I especially like all these like folder icons and this stuff over here. This looks very, well, macOS-y. Now I'm curious to see if everything just like works normally. Let me just quickly like, you know, turn on Minecraft, see if like Minecraft would just launch normally. Because if you can run apps that are clearly not optimized for Windows 11, seeing how it doesn't officially exist yet, if you could potentially just run apps normally, then you could download and install Windows 11 right now. Now granted, seeing how it's extremely clearly unfinished yet, you may have some other issues, but if you can just use whatever apps you have normally, well then, it should be just plug and play. I mean, here we are. I can't do much, but for some reason I can't like rotate my mouse, probably because I'm running this off of TeamViewer, but look, we're getting a normal FPS of 60 with VSync. But it looks fine. So if most apps work this smoothly on Windows 11, then you can literally just update right now. Again, it's not recommended, but I mean, here it is. It's Windows 11. It's here, and it's honestly pretty cool. Though, apart from having just a new user interface, we are yet to see exactly what big changes there will be. I am still hoping that they will finally merge together settings and control panel, but we'll see. But yeah, let me know what you think of Windows 11 down in the comments below. I'm just still stunned that I am using Windows 11, a brand new version of Windows, and it's just there and working. So definitely let me know what you think of it. I am really loving it so far. And also, while you're still here, maybe check out my Patreon, because even $1 a month goes a long way in helping my channel, and it allows me to make way better videos along with videos on way more interesting topics. I'd also love to thank my patrons Gavin Burns, Ryan, LKB, Naomi Sushi, Meg Sumner, Blake the Rake, and Roland Cloaker. Thank you guys so much. Your support truly goes a long way in making videos like these possible. Down in the video description below, you're also going to find our Amazon Associates links, along with our old customs link if you want to get 5% off on the awesome keyboards. Plus down there's our social media links and our Discord server as well. But anyway, that's what it's. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye everyone. Goodbye.